Hey everybody. Interesting development in the search to quiet down this drivetrain. I figured let's pull off the rocker, see what's going on. And as you can see, the little interference mark there, boom, remember that one? That's the only one on this whole side that doesn't have that little mark there. So what that means to me is these push rods are a little too long, and when they're coming up and hitting the backside. So luckily I do have the ones that were in there. Here's what I was running, were these Trick Flow 6.7s, and luckily I had ordered the Manly 6.65s, so 5 thousandths shorter, and that should probably give us just enough clearance. As you can see, that's about how much shorter it is to not hit that, and hopefully that'll quiet this valve train down quite a bit. But I decided to pull apart the driver's side because I can get the cover off without removing the intake and check everything out. But I'm going to get this buttoned up probably tomorrow, because it's Friday night, and wife and I want to spend a little time together. But nonetheless, I'm going to put the driver's side back together. I'll pull the intake in the morning, and then do the passenger side. I'll fire it up again, and we'll see what we got. Okay? Thanks, everybody.